Here's how to make a waving flag in Blender in under 60 seconds. Open Blender. Go to General. Delete the default cube. Add a plane. Go to Add, Mesh, then select Plane. Rotate it 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Scale it to a flag shape. I think this works well for me. Remember, we need to come up with a USA flag. So before anything, let's add the material for the flag. First, switch to Render View. Move to Material, select New. Move to Base Color and, on the yellow dot, select Image Texture. Go to Open, then select any image you would wish to put on the flag. You need to subdivide to create enough geometry for smooth cloth bending. Press Tab, and on the left pane, select to subdivide. Move right here at the top left corner. Set number of cuts to any you wish for better waving. I like using 40. Next, you need to add a cloth modifier for our plane. Go to Modifiers. Right here, and hover over to Physics and select Cloth. Then go to the Physics tab. Increase Quality Steps to 15. Vertex Mass to 0.1. And the Bending to 7. We need to add a point where our flagpole will stick from. So switch to Editing Mode by pressing Tab. Select a portion of vertices. Remember, they will act as the pivot of our flag. So position them well, on top, left, right, or bottom. Go to Data. On vertices, select Add. Then select Assign. This will ensure that our flag remains in one position rather than being blown by wind. Go back to the Physics tab. Scroll down until you find Shape. Tap on it and select the vertex group. Now, let's add the wind effect to test out our flag. Go to Add Force Field, then Wind. You need to pay some serious attention here, because everything here is crucial. Hover to fix the position of the wind force. Press G and move it at the back of the flag. Go to Transform and rotate 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Adjust its position as you wish. Hover and increase the size of the wind. Go to Physics tab and increase wind strength to about 500. Test out your wind and see. There you go. That looks really good. Tap on the camera view and start adjusting as much as you wish for your view. Go to Render Mode. It's somehow dark, so grab your light source and position it where you wish to. I will adjust the color of my light for a more realistic view. Let's add the last element, the pole. I've used a cylinder for the shape pole. Adjust it in until you come up with a pole structure. Then adjust its position to your pinned vertices. Switch back to Render Mode and see how it looks. You can even go to the camera to see what you're about to render. Lastly, let's render. Remember, we need to render it on a transparent background. Go to Render Engine, scroll, and down drop on Film. Check the transparent box and render out as images. After rendering, we need to make a waving video. Go to Blender and open Video Editing Mode. In the sequencer, go to Add. Select Image or Sequence. A menu will pop up. Select the folder where you saved your rendered images. Select all of them. They will come in our sequencer. Test them out. That's good. Now it's time to render out our video. Remember, we need a transparent. Go to Render Engine. Scroll again to Transparent and check the transparent box. Move to Output. File format, leave it to default. Down drop Encoding. On the container, select QuickTime. On the video codec, select QD-RLE. Scroll back up and select RGBA on color. This will ensure a transparent background. Select the folder where to save your video. Cross-check and verify everything. Then go and render out your animation. There you have it, fellas. If you need to know on how to give it another background like that, comment it down below. If you found this informative, like and subscribe for the channel to grow.